I was here riding the jet ski for the entire day. It was so freaking epic. And you guys probably already see the footage I put it earlier. So so freaking tired. And I'll probably see you guys when I'm back home. Oh my god, this is... Oh shit. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. Did I change the shutter speed? Oh no, I changed the aperture. Okay. Alright guys, so what I'm trying to do is have a GoPro, then I also bought like one GoPro mount, and I'll stake on my drone. So I was trying to stake a GoPro on my, I really want to stake like the GoPro on my MAVIC. Cause one thing I don't really like about like this kind of drone, cause shit, it scared me. One thing I don't like about like this kind of drone, cause like they didn't give you the audio. So like as for example, as like a freaking FPV drone or race drone, it gave you the sound. It gave you like the motor sound, so if you like more engaged, just like sometimes you're filming with a gimbal, you don't want like the gimbal shake, whatever. So you want the camera to shake. So I'm trying to mount the GoPro on top of the my drone, and trying to basically like fly it and see it can record some good footage or whatever. So it gave like more mounted like a race drone whatever feel. So right now is where should I mount it? So I have to mount the GoPro without this smoke, like the motor actually hitting it. So from the point right here is fine. Try. I don't want GoPro to like. Yeah, let me record on GoPro. Let me record. Alright guys, my microphone mount broke a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear a huge difference if I move it, cause if I move it, it might give you a little bit clicking sound because I broke. I don't know if you guys can hear that, or should I just use the internal mic? Can't really tell. I belong to you. Alright guys, I'm on a boat. I'm on a freaking boat right now. Just look at this. I'm on a freaking lake and heading out just to like go somewhere. I don't even know where is it, but like we're just kind of like wandering around on the lake. I was about to say on the ocean, but like on the lake. And I'm gonna take like a few photos and see if it's good. My drone's dead, but like the gimbal worked for a second because I showed you guys earlier like I have a GoPro on the drone, but like the gimbal worked for a second, so I filmed like a little freaking waterfall. You guys probably already see it, and then now I'm gonna basically trying to film like some epic video while I'm on the lake. I don't have much thing to do, but I'm gonna put on like a long focal lens and probably just do some gimbal shot. Then let's see like how much I can do. That's it. Camera's almost dead. Switch on GoPro, and I hope you guys doesn't tell a huge difference. We're still on the boat, and it's kind of started getting boring right now. My drone is kind of like triggering. Sometimes doesn't work, sometimes works. So I can't tell when is it working, but it's so freaking good. It works while I'm filming the waterfall, so that's like so good. and right now we're probably not gonna freaking do it, because even though it works, the gimbal works, if I want to film the bow like flying around, I only have like 20%, so and bow is moving, so the home point doesn't really matter. So like it's really hard to land, especially on here. You guys know what I mean. Probably just kind of chill for the next hour or so probably, then we're gonna go to another like photography place if we have the energy in the afternoon. So here we go. It's pretty crazy over here. Like you can literally just do photography over here. It's so freaking good. Alright, I'm gonna shoot some B-roll and some picture. Alright, here we go. I'm on somewhere called underground forest. It doesn't mean it doesn't actually mean it's underground. It's just under the freaking forest. So if you guys check it out, like the forest, forest under the cliff. So it's usually like a volcano. Now it has like all the plants and stuff. Let's show you guys real quick. You guys can't see the cliff right here, but like this is all under the cliff. Oh my goodness. Oh shit.